I got into this because it's all I've ever done. When I was little, I took apart everything, drove my parents crazy. Most of my mechanics have been with me from between 7 to 13 years, and they're very, very serious about what they do. My technicians have a serious passion. What makes us different is our vehicle repairs are custom tailored towards the needs of the customer. We do complete vehicle repair. 90% of our business is the family car, but we also have a market for motorhomes and trucks. Our motto is we fix what the other shops can't.